Last time we were back here, we went to a market in Foggia where we bought the cactus pears that are, or prickly pears that are my wife's favorite fruit. Unfortunately, the seeds I planted didn't take. It was a dry winter, but some very good friends of ours were kind enough to actually bring us a fruiting cactus right here. And we have a couple options while we're here for the short time. You can leave it in a pot and it'll be fine, or find a good place to plant it. So I think we picked out a pretty good spot to plant it in, and it should pretty much take care of itself, hopefully. So I was on my way down to plant our new friend here when the weather took a turn for the worse. It's a little hard to see behind me, but temperature dropped really fast and the rain just has been coming down. So I took a little break and I'm gonna try to give it a shot now. The rain has kind of seemed to let up. I'm running out of time, so I want to go ahead and get this in the ground. But from past experience, I know I need to put my rubber boots on because I know that clay is going to be thick in the ground and it's going to be very challenging to walk on. So let me see what happens. One thing I don't think I mentioned in a previous video when I talked about these tiles here is that these are tiles designed to be around the pool, so they're slip resistant and it works really well in this weather with the rain. I've walked up and down. I'm not going to now because my feet are already starting to collect mud on them now. So I'm going to try to stay away from those tiles as much as I can. But moving on, I think I found a good spot to put that cactus tree. Our property runs from the corner down there up the hill here. And right here, it takes a little turn in and then shoots back to the corner of the house there. So this little part here, I think is going to be really good to plant the tree. I just need to clear it up and clean it up and then put that cactus plant in. I hope this weather holds up a little bit longer so I can get this cactus into the ground and it can start forming its new home right here and keep producing fruit for us. Now it's just up to Mother Nature, a little hope, a little prayers, and some good luck that this beauty will grow strong and take over this little corner here of the backyard and be fruitful for quite a long time. I put some rocks around it just to protect it when they cut the grass, but they know this is something that needs to be protected. So fingers crossed for us. Now I have the fun part of trying to clean my boots. Take a look at these bad boys. The clay monsters that they are. After planting the cactus, we went out of town for a few days up to Tuscany to visit my family, but when we came back, I noticed something different about the plant. It looked like something took a few little nibbles out of the side of it. Probably a small animal. I have no idea. If you have any thoughts, let us know. I hope they're okay, but I think they learned their lesson. Thanks for watching. We really hope you enjoyed this video of this little plant we added to our backyard. If you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up. If you have any other comments or anything else to say, please leave them down below. Share it with a friend and stay tuned. We're going to have some more videos to share of what's going on and our plans for the house in the future.